clever.
You got a rickets in here.
These are all dogs. All bulls.
Oh, they are.
Yeah, it's a bachelor head.